71% of UK adults don't sleep long enough. In this video, I'm going to break down the easy steps that you can follow that I've personally implemented and really found secret tips that no one else speaks about that will drastically improve your sleep schedule. Why should you follow what I say here? Because my sleep habits are very, very good. I fall asleep literally 10 to 15 minutes consistently every single night. The first and one of the most important things is that make sure you need and deserve the sleep. Have you actually through the day fatigued your body and mind through hard work? I found that the days that I've bitched out and acted like a Jeffrey through the day and just wasted time, my sleep's worse. But when I become more like Adonis and I do the right things each and every day, by the time it gets dark and it's time for bed, I'm literally so tired that I can't wait to get into bed. If it gets to nighttime and you've still got so much energy, guess what that means? You didn't use that energy in the day. Go train harder. Don't be afraid of overtraining or all this other bullshit that you see online. Go train harder like a warrior. You can literally still have your laptop or your phone on even right to the minute that you fall asleep. But there's two important caveats. One, make sure that the brightness is low and that you've also turned on the night shift, like the blue light filter, so that the screen is red. That's really important. But two, make sure that if you are on your phone or laptop before bed, you're not going to look at anything that will psychologically trigger you. For example, for me, I'm literally looking at a screen till the minute that I pass out. Either it's my phone or my Kindle on low brightness and I'm reading something. What you don't want, which a lot of Jeffreys do, is to be on your phone in the last few hours and to be on the normal apps like Instagram, Twitter, whatever, and you're gonna get triggered. You go onto Twitter and there's people arguing about politics, and because you're a fucking dickhead, you join in arguing with people that you don't even know about, like, oh yeah, Donald Trump. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. What's wrong with people like just arguing about politics and religion and stuff? Like, just go meditate, bro. What the fuck? Like, you're broke. Why the fuck are you arguing with people about something that doesn't even concern you, dickhead? Make sure that your room and the bed is absolutely the perfect temperature. Now, most people need to reduce the temperature of the room by a few degrees, and it's different for everyone, but I think it's roughly about 16 to 18 degrees Celsius for most people to sleep better. We're supposed to cool down first and then we fall asleep. There's another thing you could do that most people just struggle with. This is so easy to just fix, bro. Just go to bed roughly at the same time every day and wake up roughly at the same time every single day. Simple as that. Most people don't want to follow this advice because they like having, or not so much that they like, but they allow disruption and chaos into their schedule, which shows that they don't really respect themselves. Control your schedule so that you can go to sleep at the same time every night and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. Don't bullshit, bro. There's no such thing as a weekend. Weekends are a modern fucking construction. There's like, humans don't have that shit. It's literally you wake up at the same time, you go to sleep roughly at the same time. So you want to know the perfect sleep schedule. It's not waking up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. You want to know the real perfect sleep schedule for you, which is so anticlimactic, and your ego's not going to like this because you would have loved to wake up early. The perfect sleep schedule for you is the one that you could maintain for the rest of your life. What is a reasonable time that you could get into bed every single day for the rest of your life? What time could you go to sleep every single day for the rest of your life? It'd have to be reasonable. For me, maybe it's about 9 to 10 p.m. For a lot of other people, it'll be 11 or 12. You know what's better than the perfect schedule? Like, maybe you'll get slightly better sleep. Like, there's research that shows you'll get better sleep if you go to sleep at 10. But guess what? Actually, there's research that proves whatever sleep schedule you have isn't important. It's the consistency that matters more. So whether you go to sleep at 10, 12, 1, you need to figure out right here, right now, no bullshit, what is the time that you could go to bed every single day for the rest of your life, not taking weekends off? And then what is the time for you to wake up reasonably for the rest of your life? For me, sometimes I like waking up really early. So for me, it's probably 10 to about 6:30. That's what I could follow literally every single day without even needing discipline for it. Once you know that, just be on that schedule. And then finally, the last thing that you can do, which Andrew Huberman has been posting about so much, and we all need to follow it. As soon as you wake up, go and get sunlight as fast as possible. If you're privileged like me and you live in an apartment, but you've got a balcony, go step out on the balcony. If you live in a normal house or something, go just in your back garden, go in the front garden, go for a walk around your street. Literally just a few minutes. It's better if it's longer, but just a few minutes will drastically change your what's that shit called? Circadian rhythm. Just the shit about sleep, right? Circadian rhythm, that's it. I'm glad you're here, bro.
No problem.
If you can see outside, it's not completely pitch black. That means that there's sunlight there, which then means that you are getting sunlight if you literally just stand outside, even if it's cloudy. People in the UK like to cope and say, oh, but there's no sunlight here, oh, the weather's so shit. Yeah, of course the weather's shit in the UK. Yeah, of course you're gonna get stabbed if you live there. But if you stand outside on a day where you can see daylight, but it's not sunny, but you can see, it's daytime, you can see, well, then you're getting sunlight. The light that you have in your room is nothing compared to even a cloudy day outside. So it's not so much that you need direct sunlight. You literally, just quite frankly, you need to go outside. This light will go into your eyes and will regulate your sleeping pattern. Then another very interesting point is be outside and do the exact same thing around sunset. If you can see, this is how humans are supposed to live, right? Humans are supposed to see the sun go down. And when when your eyes witness this, they witness the sun, like the lights slowly dim and dim and dim and it gets dark. Think about how important that is. We as modern humans live such a fucked lifestyle where this is seen as like mind-blowing research, but really think about cavemen. Think about how important it is for their eyes to witness the sunset, because that is what would cause them to want to fall asleep. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Mwah.